Welcome to Burgerland. How can I help you today?
Hello there. Oh, just one moment, please. I am ordering for my whole family, so I need to check my list. It is quite a long list. I hope that is okay.
Of course. Take your time. There is no rush at all. Just let me know when you are ready to begin.
Thank you so much. You are very kind. Okay, I think I am ready now. It's a bit complicated, so please be patient with me. My children kept changing their minds.
Not a problem at all. I have children too, so I understand completely. I am ready whenever you are.
Great! Let's start with my husband's order. He is very hungry today. He would like to try your special burger. I think it is called the Alpine King. Can you tell me what is on that burger?
An excellent choice. The Alpine King is very popular. It has 2 large beef patties, grilled onions, crispy bacon, melted Swiss cheese, and our special mountain sauce. It is all served on a toasted pretzel bun.
Wow, that sounds delicious. He will love that. Yes, he will have the Alpine King burger. He wants it as a menu, please. A large menu.
Okay, so that is 1 large Alpine King menu. And what would he like to drink with that? The large menu comes with a large drink.
For his drink, he would like a Coca-Cola. A regular one, not the diet or zero sugar version. And for the side, are French fries standard?
Yes, large French fries come with the large menu. We also have other options like onion rings or a side salad for a small extra charge if he prefers.
No, thank you. French fries are perfect for him. So, to confirm, that is 1 large Alpine King menu with large fries and a large Coca-Cola.
That is correct. I have it right here. What is next on your list?
Next is my order. I am a vegetarian, so I need something without meat. Do you have any good vegetarian options? I saw a picture of a veggie burger on the sign.
Yes, we do. We have our veggie burger. It has a patty made from vegetables and grains. It comes with fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and a creamy yogurt sauce on a whole wheat bun. It is very tasty.
That sounds lovely. Is the patty fried or grilled? I prefer grilled if possible.
The veggie patty is grilled, not fried, so it is a healthier choice as well.
Perfect. I will have the veggie burger then. I would also like that as a menu, but a medium size is enough for me.
1 medium veggie burger menu. And what would you like for your side and your drink?
For my side, I would like a small garden salad instead of fries, if that is possible.
Yes, you can substitute the fries for a side salad. There is no extra charge for that with the medium menu. What kind of dressing would you like for your salad? We have Italian, French, or a yogurt dressing.
I will have the yogurt dressing, please. And for my drink, I would like a sparkling water.
Okay, so that is 1 medium veggie burger menu with a side salad with yogurt dressing and a sparkling water. I have that down.
Wonderful. Now for the children. I have 2 children, a boy and a girl. They would like a kids' meal. I think you call it a junior box?
Yes, that's right, our junior box. The junior box comes with a choice of a main item, a small side, a small drink, and a toy.
That's exactly what they want. Okay, for my son, he wants the chicken nuggets in his junior box. How many nuggets are in the portion?
The junior box comes with 4 chicken nuggets. We also have a 6-piece option, but that is not part of the junior box deal.
4 is perfect for him. He is not a big eater. And for his side, he wants French fries. And for his drink, he would like an apple juice.
So, 1 junior box with 4 chicken nuggets, small fries, and an apple juice. Got it. And for your daughter?
My daughter would also like a junior box. For her main item, she would like a small hamburger, but she has a special request. She does not like pickles or mustard. Can you make it with only ketchup?
Absolutely. We can customize it for her. So, 1 hamburger with only ketchup. No problem at all. What would she like for her side and drink?
She would also like small French fries, just like her brother, and for her drink, she wants an orange juice.
Okay, I have that. 1 junior box with a hamburger with only ketchup, small fries, and an orange juice. Is that everything for the children's meals?
Yes, that's all for their junior boxes. They will be very excited about the toys.
Great. Let me just quickly repeat the main orders to make sure I have everything correct so far. I have 1 large Alpine King menu with large fries and a large Coca-Cola, 1 medium veggie burger menu with a side salad and sparkling water, 1 junior box with chicken nuggets, fries, and apple juice, and 1 junior box with a plain hamburger with ketchup, fries, and an orange juice. Does all of that sound right?
Yes, that is perfectly correct. You are very organized. Thank you for repeating it. It helps me keep track as well. Now, I think we might need some extra things.
Of course. What else can I get for you today?
I was thinking about drinks. We are going to be in the car for a while. I would like to get a large bottle of still water for everyone to share later. Do you sell large bottles?
Yes, we do. We have 1-liter bottles of still mineral water. Would you like one of those?
That would be perfect. Yes, please add 1 large bottle of still water to the order. And I was wondering about a local drink. Do you have Almdudler? My husband loves it.
We certainly do. It's a very popular choice here in Austria. Would you like a bottle of Almdudler as well?
Oh, that is great news. Yes, please. Could you add 1 bottle of Almdudler to the order, please? He can have that instead of the Coke. Oh, wait. No, that is too complicated. Let's just add it as an extra drink. He can have the Coke with his meal and the Almdudler for later.
No problem. So I am adding 1 large bottle of still water and 1 bottle of Almdudler. Anything else?
I think so. The children will want a dessert. And to be honest, I would like one too. What do you recommend for dessert? Something sweet.
Well, our most popular dessert right now is the seasonal Apfelstrudel McFlurry. It has vanilla soft serve ice cream with pieces of real apple strudel and a cinnamon sauce swirled in.
An apple strudel McFlurry? That sounds amazing. I have never heard of that before. I must try that. Please add 1 of those to my order.
1 Apfelstrudel McFlurry. A great choice. And for the children, we have our classic Apfeltasche, which is a hot apple pie, or we have chocolate sundaes and strawberry sundaes.
I think they would love to share an apple strudel. They both love apples. Is it very hot when you get it? I worry they might burn their mouths.
It is served hot, yes, but it will cool down a little bit by the time you receive it and are ready to eat it. You can also ask me to let it sit for a minute before I put it in the bag.
Ooh, that would be very helpful. Yes, please add 1 apple strudel for the children. And one last thing, I promise. Could we get 1 extra portion of large fries? We can all share them in the car. It's a family tradition.
Of course. Sounds like a lovely tradition. So I am adding 1 Apfelstrudel McFlurry, 1 Affeltasche, and 1 extra large portion of French fries. Is that finally everything?
Yes, I am sure that is everything now. I have checked my list twice. That is the complete order.
All right. Let me do a final complete readback of your entire order just to be 100% certain we have not missed anything. Please listen carefully.
Yes, please do. I am ready.
Okay. We have 1 large Alpine King menu, which includes the Alpine King burger, a large portion of French fries, and a large Coca-Cola. Then we have 1 medium veggie burger menu, which includes the veggie burger, a side salad with yogurt dressing instead of fries, and a sparkling water.
That is correct so far.
Excellent. Next, we have 2 junior boxes. The first junior box has 4 chicken nuggets, a small portion of French fries, and an apple juice. The second junior box has a hamburger with only ketchup, no pickles, and no mustard, also with a small portion of French fries and an orange juice.
Perfect. The children's orders are correct.
Then, for the extra items, we have added 1 large 1-liter bottle of still mineral water. We have also added 1 bottle of Almdudler. And for dessert, we have 1 Apfelstrudel McFlurry and 1 Apfeltasche. And finally, we have 1 extra portion of large French fries for sharing.
Wow, that is a lot of food. But yes, that is all completely correct. You got everything. Thank you.
It is my pleasure to help. I just want to make sure your order is perfect for you and your family.
Your total for everything comes to 48 euros and 75 cents. Please drive forward to the first window to pay.
48 euros and 75 cents. Okay, thank you. I will see you at the window.
Hello again. So, the total was 48 euros and 75 cents. Will you be paying with cash or by card today?
I will pay by card, please. Here it is. I hope your machine is working well. Sometimes they have trouble outside.
Our machine works very well. Don't you worry. Just hold your card on the sensor here, please.
Okay. Is it working? The light is blinking.
Yes, just one moment. It is processing the payment now. It can be a little slow sometimes when we have many orders. There, it went through. Here is your receipt.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you very much. Where do I go now to collect the food?
Please just drive forward to the next window, the collection window. Your order is quite large, so our team is preparing it for you right now. It might take just a couple of minutes.
That is no problem at all. I understand completely. Thank you again.
Hello one more time. Here is your big order. I have it all ready for you. Let me just pass it to you carefully.
Thank you so much. It smells absolutely delicious. I am getting hungry now myself. Can you hold on for just 1 second? I want to quickly check if everything is in the bags. With a big order, it is easy to forget something.
Of course. Please take your time to check. I can help you. In this first large bag, we have the Alpine King menu box and the Veggie Burger menu box. The extra large fries are also in here.
Okay, I see them. Perfect. And the drinks?
The drinks are all here in this carrier. We have the Coke, the sparkling water, the apple juice, the orange juice, the bottle of still water, and the Aundoodler. And your Apfelstrudel McFlurry is here separately, with a lid and a spoon.
That's great. And the children's junior boxes?
They are in this second bag here. You can see the two boxes. The hamburger for your daughter has a special sticker on it that says Special Order, so you know it is the one with only ketchup.
Oh, that is so helpful. Thank you for thinking of that. It will prevent any arguments in the car. Okay, everything seems to be here. I just have one last request. Could I please have a few packets of ketchup and some extra napkins?
I was just about to ask you that. I have already put a handful of ketchup packets and a good stack of napkins in the bag for you. Is this enough?
That is more than enough. You have thought of everything.
I try my best. We want our customers to have a great experience, especially when they are on a family trip. Is there anything else at all I can do for you?
No, that is everything, really. You have been incredibly helpful and so patient with my very long and complicated order. I really appreciate your excellent service today. It makes a big difference.
You are very welcome. It was my pleasure to assist you. I hope you and your family enjoy your entire meal. The Alpine King is a great choice, and I am sure the children will love their junior boxes.
I am sure they will. We are all looking forward to it. It is a nice treat for our road trip. Thank you again for all your help.
No problem at all. Please drive safely and have a wonderful rest of your day. We hope to see you again soon at Burgerland.
Thank you. You have a great day too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.